what's up guys? It's Darian from Woodard family. Today we have my dad right here.
Hi.
And today we are going to be making some slime. Today we need a half a teaspoon of water, and a half a teaspoon of some borax, half a teaspoon of some clear glue. Got some clear glue.
Alright guys, what we gotta have is you have a cup of water and you've got another half a cup of water on the side. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the borax, you're gonna put half a teaspoon of borax, and I'm using this quarter teaspoon, which will mean I'll need 2 quarter teaspoons or half. So we put a half a teaspoon of borax in this water, and we stir it up.
You stir it up.
All right.
Yep.
So then what we did is we've got transparent glue.
Yep.
The transparent glue is to kind of give you that slime look. We'll take that transparent glue and we'll pour it in this bowl here.
All of it.
We'll pour all of it in this bowl. Alright.
I see it's kind of looking like slime.
And this is 5 ounces of clear glue. And what you'll do is we'll get a spoon.
Yep, the spoon.
And we'll stir that up real good.
Yeah, stir that up real good.
So, you still got the glue, but you want to make sure that you mix the water in it really good. Alright.
Yep.
We'll stir it a few more times. Alright. We'll go back to the borax.
Yep.
We want to make sure that borax is stirred up good too, so we'll get another spoon. And we'll make sure that we got it where it's all broken down in the water. Alright.
It's starting to kind of form in the slime a little bit.
No, the slime comes when you take the borax and you mix it, borax water solution, and you mix it with the glue.
Oh.
But before you do that,
You need to add some.
you need to add food coloring to the glue solution.
So you need 2 drops of food coloring.
So 2 drops of green.
And then you need 5 drops of yellow, because you'll make it like a greenish yellow, like bright green. So give it a glow.
And 5 drops of yellow. You take
That, you see, it's kind of turning into a greenish thing.
we want to make sure we're using.
Kind of looks like a jello thing.
We want to make sure we stir it up real good to where all the food coloring is broken down.
Yeah, it's got to be broken down.
Because we're using gel food coloring.
So that's why it kind of looks like gelatin.
So we may want to fish out those extra pieces, because you don't want that to be in your slime.
Yep. Those pieces are not good. We'll be right back when Dad gets all those pieces out. Don't worry, guys. If your baby brother has that slime and wants to put it in your mouth, don't worry. It's non-toxic. And it doesn't taste bad, but I suggest you keep your brother from putting it in your mouth. Just a heads up.
Got most of the big pieces out.
Alright, kind of.
What we'll do is we'll take and we'll pour this.
Well, yeah, that's kind of getting green. It's green.
we take and we stir it.
So it'll
And
spread.
you'll see the slime starting to form right then.
Yep.
If you look at it, you
Got some.
slime.
And there might be some leftover like juice things, and that could be thrown away. Wait, did you add the borax? Did you add the borax?
Yeah, the borax was in that water that we used before.
Alright.
Alright.
Now it looks kind of like a wet slime. Now it's a wet slime. Looks like jello. Like jello. So is it good enough for us to touch it?
Well, what you want to do
Is get the water.
take and pour the excess water.
Yep, we just need to throw the water away.
Back off of it.
It looks kind of like pickle juice. Doesn't it kind of look like pickle juice? I don't know why, but it just kind of looks like it. So pickle juice is darker than that, or lighter. You can get the slime out. Whoa, it feels so weird.
Yeah, slime.
It feels so weird, you guys. It feels wet, but weird at the same time. It's like a wet fish. Kind of like a wet fish. The wide just looks like a wet fish. I told the camera. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Look at that. Look at this, guys. It feels like a wet fish. I don't know why, but this feels like a wet fish. Look at it. It's so clear. That's because we added in that clear glue. Ooh. Looks like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles ooze. Kind of like the Ninja Turtle ooze. Blobby and stuff. Blobby and wet a little bit. Wow, you guys. This is amazing. I never thought I would feel this slime before. It looks so cool. It's kind of flat, and I can kind of flatten it out like a pancake. Kind of flatten it. Yeah. But look at this. Look at this magnificent thing that we have done. Look at this, Dad. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. You guys, bye.